right over here. And this is, we're using mango and cherries and pineapple.
And what are you gonna do with them?
We're gonna make some juice.
Juice, yummy.
Mango juicer. The mango juicer.
Do you love the Most High God? Forever. I love the King. Do you love the Most High God?
Now we're gonna put some cherries. We're all done with the mangoes, but we still have a little bit more. You can get that all and then put the cherries in it. And then we're gonna do some pineapple and then oranges.
We like to use frozen fruit for our juice. To defrost your frozen fruit, or else your juice would be like ice cream.
Can I turn it on now? 1, 2, 3, go. Now we're gonna do some pineapple. Okay, turn. 1, 2, 3.
Some good juice.
Delicious.
You sure what they
And nutritious.
Except the part that
Micaiah likes it.
It's so good. It's really good.